Children, first, statics. Statics, the word derived from the Latin word status. This is Latin word, or in Greek word static, which means of static. This is Greek word. Both meanings is political state. Both meanings is political state. First, what is data? Information in the form of numerical figures or set of given facts is called data. New information, gathered information in the form of numerical figures or set of given fact is called data. Data have two types: raw data or ungrouped data, grouped data. Raw data obtained from direct observation is called raw data. For example, consider the marks obtained by 15 students in the mathematics test out of 100 marks. Out of 100 marks and so on. See children, the data in this data is form raw data. In this raw data, maximum value, minimum value means maximum mass, minimum mass. The difference between the maximum mass and minimum mass is called range of given data. Range of the given data. Next one, frequency distribution table. Frequency distribution table. A table showing the class interval. A table showing the class interval along with the corresponding class frequency known as frequency distribution table. Now for example, this table is called frequency distribution table. CI means class interval. Frequency, number of students or number of marks. Between the 30 to 39 marks, got children 6. 40 to 49 marks, got children 8. 50 to 59 marks, got children 9. Now, what is grouped frequency distribution table? Presenting data in this form simplify and condenses data and enable us observe certain important features at a glance. These glances are called grouped frequency distribution table. What is the next one? Class interval. CI. What is the class interval? See children, 30 to 39, 40 to 49, 50 to 59, no number repeating the class interval. These classes are called inclusive classes. This class is called inclusive classes. Now 30 to 39, 39 to 40, 39 to 49, 49 to 59, 59 to 69 and so on. See here observe children. Here 20 to 39 again repeated. 39 to 49, 49. This class is called exclusive classes. This class is called exclusive classes. Next, what is class interval? A group into which raw data considered is called class interval. Considered is called class interval. Class interval are two types. One is the exclusive class interval, one is the inclusive class intervals. Excellent. Exclusive class intervals, inclusive class intervals. Exclusive class intervals, again second interval repeated, but it did not repeated. In class intervals, each class bounded by two figures, which are called class limits. The figures on the LHS is called lower limit. LH is called lower limit. The figures on the RH is called upper limit of the class. Upper limit of the class. See now, for example, 7 to 10. In this class, with the lower limit is being 7, upper limit is 10. Now 9, 12. Lower limit is 9. 12 is the upper limit. Therefore, this is called exclusive, inclusive, next boundaries of the children. In an exclusive form, lower and upper limit are known as class boundaries or true lower limit or true upper limit of the class. The boundaries of 30 to 39 is exclusive form of the 30 to 39. The boundaries and inclusive form of the obtained by subtracting 0.5 from the lower limit and adding to the upper limit. Therefore, the boundaries of 30 to 39 in the exclusive class interval C, you subtract here 0.5, here add 0.5. 29.5 to 39.5. This is the mark. This is inclusive class interval. Now I am changed for upper limit. Exclusive class interval 39.5 to 49.5. 49.5 to 59.5. 59.5 to 69.5. 69.5 to 75. This is called exclusive class interval. This is called inclusive class interval. Exclusive class interval to of those children. Class size. The difference between the upper limit and lower limit is called class size.